Now, obviously, the first step on your journey to making beautiful, harmonious music from your instrument is to tune it. The bass has 4 strings. Some have 5, some even have 6. We don't bother with those. They're silly. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G. Exactly the same as a guitar, only an octave lower. You probably have some form of tuner. I mean, your watch has probably got one now. Your fridge has probably got one by the time this comes out. But the easiest way to tune is to just get a note. You can either start from the top, because that's easiest to hear, or starting from the bottom makes the most sense. If you can get an E from somewhere, the next string up, the A string, that note is exactly the same as the note on the 5th fret of the E string. And that works the same all the way up. So once you've got your E, fret it at the 5th fret, and play the next string, and tune that until it's the same. Likewise with the A string for a D, and then with the D string for a G. The other, a more accurate way of tuning a bass is every string has what's called harmonics on it. This is the point where if you just touch the string rather than pressing it down, you get a harmonic which is essentially kind of half the note. It's a do you know what? I don't really know how to explain it, but perhaps we'll come back to that. But anyway, you have 3 main harmonics. They occur at the 5th, the 7th, and the 12th frets of your string. The harmonic from the 7th fret is the same as the harmonic from the 5th fret of the string beneath. So it's kind of a better way to tune going backwards, if you know what I mean. If you start on the G string, then you'll get the same note and from the 5th fret of the string below. And so on and so on. Ideally. But I'd advise you to get a tuner.